Hello and welcome back to Pine City Apiary. Today, got an unboxing. Alright, so Hive Slacker has been an issue from the very beginning. And the latest issue is that they have swarmed. And now they can't seem to make a queen. So I went ahead and I ordered a queen from Barnyard Bees. I got her, she's marked green for this year. Now, what I want to do is just quickly open the girls up here and put her in there and just see how they react to her. If they are acting threatening, then I want to get her out. But I just want to see how they act to her. So let's do that. Now, she can't get out. They've got a candy. She can't get out. They got a candy section here, and it's corked. So when I do release her, I'm going to want to pull that cork on the candy side. Okay, so I just want to see how they're going to act towards her. So far I don't see any aggressive actions. Looks like they're curious.
These one?
Ma'am. And then don't go, here's my hand, here's my hand. And then don't go too far. I'm going to give you this to carry on.
I think that's a bumblebee.
Yep.
That's we take in.
Yep. Somebody crushed up my head brush.
Is there an RV right there? Alright, I'm going to take this one. It's not completely capped, but it's mostly capped. And I will process it right away. Josh?
Get ready to come and get this one. All right, so they're not being aggressive with her at all. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to take the cork off. Maybe. All right, so there's the cork. Then we're going to punch a little hole in the sugar to give them a head start. Then I couldn't find a rubber band, of course, so I'm going to put her on this bottom of this frame. Look out, girls. All right, so I've got her at the bottom of this frame. She can get out over here. They can start cleaning up that comb. They can start cleaning up both those combs, and once they do that, she's got 2 combs that she can lay in. Then we got to keep an eye on and try to open up some more space. So I may end up pulling a couple more frames out to process. All right, so Hive Slacker, we put a caged queen on there for quite some time, and they had no visible signs of being aggressive towards her. Actually, they were very accepting. It looked like they were trying to feed her and they're trying to take care of her. So I went with the decision to go ahead and I was at first going to leave her in the cage overnight, but I decided that I wanted to get her going. So I opened up the cork, I poked a little hole in the sugar, and I hung her on the bottom of that one frame that we extracted. So she's got 2 completely clear frames in there. There's honey in there, so they're going to have to clean that up, and I'm sure they will. But once they do that, she'll have 2 frames to lay on, and then we'll just have to take a look to see if we need to clear out a few more frames. I'm thinking that I have to do at least 2 more between the top and the bottom. Get that honeybound situation taken care of. Next up, next trip out here, Skill?
No.
Getting eaten up alive here. Alright, so our next trip out here, we're going to be taking honey, probably one, no, not today, probably 1, maybe 2 supers off of laying right, and putting that into process. So that's coming forward. This frame, this box, and this box are probably pretty empty still. Alright, well, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up are super cool, and you too can be super cool if you give Josh one.
Yeah.
Alright, have you subscribed to the channel yet? If you haven't, you should. It doesn't cost you anything, and if you have, thank you very much. It's greatly appreciated. When you subscribe, be sure to click on the bell, and that bell is going to give you notifications every time that I upload a new video. So as always, thank you for watching, and have a great day.